Chair?
Yes.
Yes. Hindi po totoo yung sinasabi ni Representative Rosas na hindi ako sumagot. Hindi sumagot ang Office of the Vice President. We cooperated with the cases in the Supreme Court. There are 4 cases in the Supreme Court. And then we cooperated with all the audit actions of the Commission on Audit. I will forgo the opportunity to
So the next to interpolate is from the minority. We have the Honorable Eileen Brosas.
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, I have very simple questions, Madam Chair. I hope the VP can answer this. Can the VP confirm that it requested and was granted the amount of 125 million for the confidential expenses for 2022 despite having no provision for a line item on confidential funds, Madam Chair?
Madam Vice President.
Madam Chair, that is the subject of Supreme Court cases.
Yes. Kong Eileen,
Madam Chair,
please proceed. Yes.
yes, Madam Chair, ang tanong ko lang po ay simple, no? Kung may provision, kung may line item o wala. So, Madam Chair, kung hindi po sinasagot, I will go on to my next question, Madam Chair. Maaari rin bang kumpirmahin ng OVP na ang 125 million confidential funds na nirequest nito noong 2022 ay ginamit lamang mula December 21 hanggang December 31, 2022, Madam Chair?
Madam Vice President.
Madam Chair, that is a subject of Supreme Court cases.
Yes, Madam Chair, obviously, ayaw tayong sagutin, Madam Chair, kasi, Madam Chair, pera ng taong bayan ito, Madam Chair, no? Yun po yung nakalagay dito. At karapatan na malaman ito ng bawat isa sa atin, Madam Chair, it is a matter of public interest. At humihingi po tayo ng transparency and accountability kaugnay dito, Madam Chair. So, Madam Chair, kung hindi po sasagutin yung 2 questions ko, baka naman yung 3rd, Madam Chair, masagot. Ayon sa ipinasang accomplishment report, utilization of confidential and intelligence funds ng OVP, ginamit ang 125 million para sa safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building. Ano itong safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building? Ano po yung programa sa ilalim nito, Madam Chair?
Madam Vice President.
Madam Chair, the first 2 questions are exactly the questions that were submitted to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is the correct venue to answer those questions because there are pending cases there already. Sa pangatlong tanong niya, that is our answer, nakalagay doon sa aking opening statement, we cooperate with all the audit actions of the Commission on Audit. So, lahat yan sinasagot namin sa tamang venue. Kinasyon kami sa Supreme Court, sumagot kami sa Supreme Court. Kinasyon kami sa COA, sumagot kami sa COA.
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair. No, precisely. Kaya ko po tinatanong to, Madam Chair. If you remember, we requested, actually hindi nga kami nag-request eh. Nag-request kami na isabina doon sa STACOM yung audit report because we would like to be appraised doon sa nilalaman, Madam Chair. Kaya po tayo nagtanong. And since the VP is saying na merong Supreme Court, may we have a copy, Madam Chair, of the Supreme Court, no, na kanilang kaso, Madam Chair. Pwede ba yun i-disclose sa atin, Madam Chair? Do you have a copy of that, Madam Chair?
Of course not. I am not the Supreme Court. They should request doon sa Supreme Court.
Honorable Eileen Brosas. Proceed, please.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Obviously, ayaw tayong sagutin, no? Kaugnay sa ating mga hiling at sa ating mga katanungan, Madam Chair. Dapat po masagot tayo, no? Very specific kung ano yung ginawa, no? Sa pera ng taong bayan. Kasi pera ng taong bayan to Madam Chair. Kasi Madam Chair, sa accomplishment report na ipinasa ng OVP sa loob lamang ng December 21 to 31, 2022, gumastos ang OVP ng first 14 million para sa purchase of information, 10 million para sa payment ng reward, 16 million para sa rental of incidental expenses para sa maintenance ng safe houses, 35 million para sa purchase ng supplies, 40 million para sa medical and food aid, 10 million para sa incentives o traveling relative to the confidential operations. So, Madam Chair, sa Joint Circular Number 2015-01 ng COA, DBM, DILG, GCG, DND na naglalaman ng guidelines on the entitlement, release, use, reporting, and audit of confidential or intelligence funds, hindi kasama sa paggagamitan ng confidential funds ang medical at food aid. Kaya saan ginamit ng OVP ang 40 million para sa medical and food aid? Ito ay pinakamalaking confidential funds budget na nilaan ng OVP. Kaya po dapat sagutin tayo, no, ng OVP kaugnay dito, Madam Chair.
Ditch your old cleaning tools. Experience effortless cleaning with our flexible brush. Our Host Storage cleaning brush features a rotating head that reaches every corner of your sink and stove. Its durable design ensures long-lasting use, making your cleaning routine a breeze. Try it now with free shipping.
Get free delivery, exclusive promos, and the best prices with Chowking Delivery.
Madam Vice President.
Yes, Madam Chair. In my opening statement, we said on the issue of confidential funds, we have received audit actions regarding the confidential funds of the OVP. We have submitted our responses and we assure our full cooperation with the ongoing audit.
Please proceed, Honorable Brosas.
I am reiterating, Madam Chair, na ayon sa 4.0 General Guidelines Number 48, the CF or the confidential fund shall be used only for the following: purchase of information necessary for the formulation and implementation of program activities and projects relevant to the national security and peace and order. So, Madam Chair, ito po yung